Horses out, they have divine power. As to begin, Magdalena in second, and in third, she's inspired. Siba Sib comes next, and Gusto Ko Happy Ka is the early trailer. We have divine power, the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Magdalena in second, and in third, Siba Sib. She's inspired, is racing in fourth, and about 6 lengths. So in fifth is Gusto Ko Happy Ka, who trails the field. And that's still divine power by a length. Siba Sib, Magdalena is on the outside. Then here comes she's inspired. Now try to get closer in third and a long way back to Gusto Ko Happy Ka. And that's still divine power by about 3 lengths. She's inspired now, moving up to take second, and in third Magdalena. Then comes Siba Sib and Gusto Ko Happy Ka. And that's still divine power by about 3 lengths. She's inspired, remains in second, and in third Magdalena, Siba Sib and Gusto Ko Happy Ka. Last 150, we have divine power by about 6 lengths. She's inspired, still in second, and in third Magdalena, Gusto Ko Happy Ka. And finally, divine power. Second, she's inspired, Gusto Ko Happy Ka. Magdalena, Siba Sib.